Imagine stealing $30 million and just getting 5 years in prison. Well, that's just happened. Did you know that a whole bunch of Forex brokers are actually scammers? And yeah, you heard that right. 2 guys were just sentenced to jail for organizing a $30 million Forex trading scam. They are from Florida and Massachusetts. Meet Michael Dalian, age 50, and he got 4 years and 7 months in prison. But this is Patrick Gallagher. He's age 45 years and he got 5 years. Well, they started this Forex trading business with promises of high profits to investors based on fake returns. They stole their money by making these unsuccessful transactions. Does that ring any bells? Listen, if you're getting into Forex, you need to be extra careful. Scammers are out there, they're looking around to do new things and they're getting a whole bunch smarter. And so should we. So look out for some legitimate governing bodies like the FSC from Mauritius, the FCA from the UK, the FSCA from South Africa, the SCB from the Bahamas, the IFSC from Belize, and the SEC from Cyprus. Or you can check out Wikifx. It's an app and it's easy to use to find a broker's license and regulatory info. And if you've already fallen victim for one of these scam brokers, look, don't worry. We can help from the Wikifx customer support team for free. That's right. So stay smart and stay safe out there, traders.